Welcome to 725 Restoration Drive, right here in the preserve in the heart of Hoover. If you are looking for one of the most desired neighborhoods with beautiful porches, lots of friendly atmosphere, sidewalk community, this is it. You don't want to miss this one. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath home, finished basement space. Let's go take a look and see what it has to offer. Don't miss your chance to see this amazing home in the preserve right here in the heart of Hoover. If you want any more information on this home, please give me a call.